chair costs? What is the price of your chair?
You're asking me?
No, I'm asking Umesh Sufia. No, wait. 1, 2, 3. Yeah, there are 3 Umesh Sufias. Oh my God. So Umesh Sufia, who is wearing specs. Yeah. So now it's you.
Yes, sir.
What is the price of that
Sir,
chair?
I don't know about it. I want to ask my dad. I'll just ask and I'll let you know in just 2 minutes.
Obviously, Umesh Sufia, no one knows the rate of a chair. Okay. I'm just checking your knowledge. What would you think? It may be around approximate amount. How much do you think?
Sir, I have not having really knowledge about this and all.
You cannot do that. Okay, Umesh Sofia, because our next week is how to attend the interviews, and it will be like personality development. So as a student and as a person, you are not supposed to say no. You have to say, sir, give me 5 minutes time. Sir, I will let you know tomorrow. Sir, can I say it at the end of this session? So when you say no,
Yeah, sir.
normal I'm
I
talking
will
about,
say
then it's
end
like,
of this session, sir. Maybe.
okay, you're supposed to say, sir, even you don't know. So let me tell you, it is exactly 1,352 rupees 50 paisa. You want me to show the bill? Okay, just joking. No problem. Okay, fine. So, all the beautiful girls and handsome boys, a red carpet welcome to everyone. Okay. Yeah, Moiza Ruksar is raising the hand. She knows the price of the chair. Yeah, Moiza Ruksar. Tell me Umesh Sophia's chair amount, if you know. Okay, so without wasting the time, I'll just give you 1 second. Okay, 1 minute. So we are going to start the class with the grid. Okay, keep your books and pencil ready. You have to identify the words. Let me tell you, the first batch record was 10 words. The second batch record was 11. The third batch record was 12. So the fourth batch, can you break the record of the first, second, and third batch? Let us see. Because what do you think? It's not like that. Because the grid, which is going to come right now, it's very, very difficult. And the rules and regulations of this grid is no 2-letter words are allowed. IS, is, ON, on, TO2. No, that will be cheating. Okay. Okay. And before we start this class, I just want to know, like, who is going to deliver the welcome speech?
Excuse me, sir. I want to give.
You want to do, Kubra, what you want to do?
I want to give welcome speech, sir.
Oh, sorry. You said give. Okay, Kubra. So you want to deliver welcome speech. Kubra, may I know you are from which place?
Sir, I am from Ramnagar.
Ramnagar. Oh my God. You want to say Ramnagar where the Sholay movie shooting was done?
Yes, sir.
Okay, Kubra. Here comes the question. कितने आदमी थे?
200.
200. Yeah, well done, Kubra. Thank you very much. Okay, so Kubra, please get ready for the welcome speech. But before that, I'm going to share my screen. I hope everyone is ready. Oh, once again, this problem. Sometimes I feel everyone is active or not. Okay, boys and girls, unmute yourself and everyone has to say, yes, sir, we are ready.
Yes, sir, we are ready.
Sir, we are
Sir,
ready.
we have ready.
Yes, sir, we are ready.
We are ready.
Yes, sir, we are ready.
All right, done. That's the spirit. That's inspiring and motivating. So I'm going to share my screen. Here we go. Okay, you have got 2 minutes. That is 120 seconds. Your time starts now. All right. Kubra, Wally, this question is for Kubra. Kubra, is my screen visible to you?
Yes, sir, visible.
Thank you very much. All right, boys and girls, your time has started. So do you think if this is the tough, then tomorrow will be the toughest? Let us see. How many words can you identify from this puzzle box or word box or from this grid, that is GRID grid? Now, let me tell you, I already have observed and I came to know one word, that is LEG, leg. Wow. Okay, let us see. I hope everyone remembers the protocols of this activity, and that is you are not supposed to write 2 letters words because there are many 2 letters word here. I-8, ISAs, O and on. No, you're not supposed to do that. Okay. Wow, Kubra, here it is your name. You see, Kubra. Yeah, even names also. Many names are there. You can't write OX, ox, you know. Let us see. Okay, 60 seconds completed. Last 1 minute remaining because we don't have the whole day time, you know. And from the next week, we are going to do the new because this grid and all is getting bored, you know. Every day, every week, new. I would like to repeat again, boys and girls, the record is 12. That's from the third batch. Second batch record was 11, followed by the first batch record 10. I'm talking about words. Can you break the record of 10, 11, 12 or 11, 12, 13? I'm just wondering, can anyone explain me what is the difference between Guinness record and world record, you know? I read in the book. All right, last 30 seconds, boys and girls. Then I'm going to stop sharing my screens. Then we move forward with the topic. Who is the volunteer? Sayyid Azra and Zunaira Fatima, please be ready with your points. What is the topic? What I'm supposed to do if there was any homework, you know? Because from 9 to 10 and 10 to 11, even I am attending the training from the experts so that I can train you more and more. Okay, here we go. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Stop. All right. I hope this was interesting because identifying the words, observing the words is very important in spoken English. Okay. All right. I don't need the answer. I just want to know the numbers. Has anyone broken the record?
15, sir.
Oh my God. You said cheating, sir? I could not hear properly. What you said, Muiza Rukhsar?
15.
Yeah, 15. Okay, 15.
Sir.
Yeah. You said
14,
15.
sir.
14. Wow.
13, sir.
13, sir. Wait. So let us give a big round of applause to Muiza Rukhsar, Kulsum Sharif, and Sayyid Azra. Wait, Afifa, wait. Please wait. I want to appreciate Muiza, Kulsum, and Shahid. I mean to say Sayyid Azra because they said 15, sir, 16, sir, and 17, sir. Excellent. This is the way you speak spoken English. Wow. And I'm talking about here creativity. Excuse me, sir. I have broken the record and I have written 15 words. Excuse me, sir. The task has been completed. Excuse me, sir. I am the volunteer, Sayyid Azra. And thank you very much for appreciating me. So actually, I think you are telling me Shanwa sir is 15 years old, 14 years old, and 13 years old. Because, you know, I'm thinking like that because when you speak in English. All right. Thank you, Muiza Rukhsar, Kulsum, and Sayyid Azra. You are the winners today. So first prize is 3. First prize is 3, second prize cooker, and third prize mixing. It will be delivered to your house. Okay, just joking. No problem, girls. So here is a reminder, boys and girls, whatever you speak here, it's been recorded and it has been broadcasted in YouTube. Okay. So please be very, very careful. Okay. Thank you very much. It was just a joke. Don't feel bad. Okay. Okay. Now one by one. So unmute yourself and you have to say how many words you have written. One by one, everyone, please.
I got 17, sir.
In kidney heart attack, I got 17. Okay. Next. Next, 17. Afifa Mariam has 17. Normally the attack comes in heart, but when Afifa said 17, it came in kidney. What is the pronunciation? Kidney. It's kidney. Okay, anyone else? Boys and girls. Okay, just tell me the numbers. Just tell me the numbers, everyone. Sir, 2, sir, 3, sir, 4, sir. Don't say 1, okay, please. Because I said LEG leg. Because my number is 1. Okay, anyone else? Boys and girls,
Sorry,
I repeat
sir.
again. Yeah.
Actually, not 15. I have got 17.
Okay. Afifa Mariam, did you hear what Muiza Rukhsar said?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So I will give you the stick in your both hand, and you have to utilize the stick, and let us see who will be the winner. I'm not talking about fighting. Good. Okay, so Afifa Mariam and Muiza Ruksar, you both are the winners with the highest vote, that is 17 votes. And I hope everyone also has written the maximum votes, but we don't have the time because we are going to the topic and we are waiting for the Kubra speech also. So very quickly, Muiza Ruksar, no need of spelling. Okay, don't spell it like on this thing. Just read out the words followed by Afifa Mariam. Muiza Ruksar, please start. Everyone, please listen.
May I, sir?
Please start.
Leg, saw, touch, set, bar, ram, red, ten, men, was, net, fat, run, bit, rabbit, net, rab.
Okay, Muiza Ruksar, your brother was scolding. Hey, bet mein kya wo karke? So make sure there should be no disturbance. Okay, please. Okay, Afifa Mariam, you're on.
Leg, net, fat, saw, said, pea, see, bar, was, read, taj, run, play, men, not, ear, age.
All right. Sayyid Azra, I have written 18, sir. Please start because we have to give the respect to our volunteers and leaders, you know. Yeah, Azra.
May I start, sir?
Please start. Next will be Kubra from the welcome speech. Kubra, please get ready with your speech. Please start, Sayyid Azra.
Okay, sir. Leg, 10, net, saw, was, touch, creed, read, run, nick, rap, bar, ride, tone, men, bit, save, read.
Okay, thank you, Sayyid Azra. Now, what I'm suggesting, boys and girls, neither I can see that grid, you know, like puzzle box, word box, neither you can see. So I'm wondering whether they're saying correct or wrong, whether correct or incorrect. But the word is trust. Okay, because when you are sitting in the bus, you are trusting the driver, right? Because your life is in his hand. Just an example. So trust is the thing we're keeping everyone together. So yeah, so we trust you and excellent. So Muiza Ruksar and Afifa Mariam and Sayyid Azura, well done, excellent, good job. Okay, thank you very much for sharing your contribution. All right, so boys and girls, now we have the Kubra. She's going to deliver the welcome speech, and after she has completed the speech, you are supposed to rectify her mistakes. Okay, where did she go wrong? Any one or two? Kubra, please start.
May I start, sir?
Yeah, Kubra, before starting, you are supposed to do this. Then start, okay? Yeah, good.
Academic year 2020-2021, venue, spoken English and personality development classes from Colors Foundation, Place, Bangalore. Respected dignitaries from Colors Foundation and all the wonderful boys and girls, a very, very good afternoon to everyone. As I present my highest gratitude, I would like to introduce myself. My name is Kubra Fatima. I am the student of 9th standard from Ramnagar, and I am present here to deliver welcome speech. From the bottom of my heart, I would like to welcome all the Colors team members and respected Muhammad Shahnawaz sir to this session. And I would also like to welcome all the beautiful girls and handsome boys to this training. Thank you very much for coming, and thank you very much for giving me this opportunity. And I hope that everyone will utilize this glorious opportunity and be successful in their life. Jai Hind, Jai Karnataka Mate.
Wow, superb. This is called as speech. All right, boys and girls, unmute yourself and give the suggestions, result, feedback. Good, bad, excellent, awesome. Please, one by one.
Sir, she is so awesome. She tells so awesome speech.
You mean to say she is awesome or her speech was awesome? We could not see her, you know.
Speech was awesome, sir.
Yeah, Mehak Fatima, excellent. Thank you very much. Remaining boys and girls, what do you think?
Wonderful speech, Kubra.
Okay. Come on, boys and girls, you have to appreciate her. At least say, well done, Kubra.
Excellent one, Kubra.
Yeah, good.
Excellent. Well done, Kubra.
Excellent speech.
Okay. Kubra, I hope everyone is appreciating you. What will be your reply for them?
Thank you.
Okay, thank you. Okay. Yashwant, please mute yourself. Yashwant, yeah, thank you very much. Well done, Kubra. Excellent, Kubra. In the chat box, we are getting the messages. Okay, thank you very much. Let us go forward. Okay, but last but not the least, I also want to appreciate Kubra. And here is Kubra. Kitne aadmi the? All right. So here comes the leader. Leaders, that is, I'm going to say Zunaira Fatima and Syed Azra. Please start. You want to remind me something?
Sir, you had given us homework. We had to find the synonym and antonyms of the given words.
All right. Now, I think there will be a clash between you and me. Ask why? Because I don't think my answers will be matching from you. Ask why once again? Because my book, my content, my syllabus is from America, the exports, okay? And your syllabus and your contents is which you have searched in the Google. So no way that your answers and my answers are going to match. But in some instance, in some places, it's going to match, but others not. Why? What happens here is spoken English is all about the different words, and especially the topic synonyms means the similar meaning. So let us see. But before going forward on checking your homework, I want to see your books, whether you have done the homework or not. Boys and girls, please show me your homework. I'm very happy with our volunteers, that is Zunaira and Fatima and Syed Azra, because always they are ready with their homeworks. Good. Everyone, please. Yeah, Afifa Mariam. Yes. Okay. Good. Oh my God, what is happening here in the part 2? Zubair Tabassum, Misbah, Nirusha Nitya, Kirtana, Khalid Khan, Afsa Nurain, Faiza, Suzura Israfil. Yeah. All right. I'm going to teach you something very smart. Now, who has not done the homework? I will give you 3 reasons. It's very simple. Sir, my mobile is not working. I have kept on the gas for charging. Sir, network problem. And sir, I could not hear your voice. Okay. So this is the 3 options you can utilize it. Okay, no problem. So let me tell you, boys and girls, very important thing, and that is, if you're not doing the homework, no problem, but make sure you attend the class and take interest. Okay. And what happens here is learning is very important, because I'm 100% sure in this future, these words what we are using and practicing, it will be very, very useful in your future. Okay. So I know very well some of them are slow, average, and fast. It doesn't matter. I'm not forcing you must and should. Make sure next session, I want to see the screen full of homeworks. Okay. So what will happen? It will inspire me and motivate me, and I will get to know more and more words to explain you. Yeah, thank you. Okay, thank you very much, boys and girls. Thank you very much. As we can see all the homeworks. Thank you. All right. So let us go forward. Oh my God, I was just wondering, in the first week and second week, there was one girl, and I think her name was Sazra Israfil. Is she still there, or she
Sir,
left?
your voice is breaking.
Okay, I was saying there was one girl, Sazra Israfil, in our first week and second week. Is she present, or she left the group, or where is she?
Excuse me, sir. Good afternoon, sir. I am present.
Oh my God, where were you, Sazra Israfil? Okay, you're not feeling well?
No, sir. Actually, I was busy in weddings.
Okay, congrats. Congratulations, Sazra.
Not mine, sir. My family
Oh.
members.
Oh, come on. Complete a sentence, Azra. Like, what opposite person is going to feel? You know, I was just saying happy married life. Obviously, you are a college student. This happens in rural area. Boys and girls, do you agree or you don't agree that child marriages are very common in rural area, that is village? Do you agree or you don't agree? Agree?
Excuse me, sir. I agree, sir.
Yes, sir. I
Lubna and Zunaira, you are so serious. Excuse me, sir. I agree, sir. Oh my God. It's like, come on, yeah. Excuse me, sir. I agree. Be polite and peaceful. Because what happens here is, just imagine at the age of 10, she is getting married. First PUC, okay, she is expecting the baby. And second PUC, she has become mother. Oh my God. It happens only in India. Okay, here comes the UPSC question. Tell me the state name where the child marriage is common. We have 29 states. Sorry, 30 states. Which state has the common child marriage? Please tell me the state name. It's my neighboring state where your trainer Shahnwaz sir belongs to. You know, I was born and brought up in Porbandar.
Gujarat.
Yeah, I said neighboring state. Neighboring state.
Bihar, sir.
Rajasthan.
Rajasthan?
Yes.
Rajasthan.
Yes. Rajasthan. Rajasthan, if you go, it's very common. you find small girls carrying a baby, and you will imagine
Rajasthan.
actually she is her sister brother. No, she will be her mother. Okay. Okay.
Sir, you
But-
are from Gujarat?
Yeah, just now I said I am from Porbandar. Do you have any idea what is Porbandar?
Sir,
You know
I am
Bandar.
also
Gandhiji's
from
birthplace.
Gujarat.
That is Gandhiji's birthplace, right?
Yeah, excellent. That is the Gandhiji's birthplace, you know.
Sir,
Wow.
I am also from Gujarat, Upleta.
Kanis Fatima, you are from Upleta.
Yes, sir.
Are you Kachi Memon set?
Yes, sir.
Oh my God. Okay, boys and girls, just experience Kachi language. किए हैं कनीस तो के
बस मजा में.
करो
Thank
खाओ
you,
खाई
yes,
गुनिया
sir.
तो के किन खबर पी लाइक इबदन हलीरी वय करने निकता ना खबर भी
Sir, through
Sir,
my
your
father.
voice is breaking.
ओके कनीस इंशाल्लाह पापा ची गाल करना सो ना
Okay, sir.
okay now remaining girls on the screen are scratching their head. What is this, sir?
What is this?
Yeah, as we expected, and it was said. What is this?
What
We
is this?
cannot understand all this.
come on. تملي حبيبي ما اختزلة ولا هو لن نقول لي قول نقول يا حبيبي ما اختزلة.
Sir,
Okay, boys and girls, just guess. Did I say good things about you or the bad things about you?
no idea.
Sir, you will tell
Maybe good thing. Good
Obvious.
things only, sir.
Yeah.
thing, sir.
Yeah,
Yes, sir. You will
because-
tell us good thing.
Yes. Obviously, you are my favorite students. You know, the fourth batch is the best batch in the whole. Shit, I forgot. Oh, yeah, whole Bengaluru. I mean, it's a whole world. Okay, thank you. Okay, so I think we have.
How many
as-
languages you know, sir?
I know 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Yeah, 9 languages. But out of that 9 languages, 6 languages, there is no reading and writing, only speaking. For example, Kachi Memani. We are all Kachi Memon said. We are from the Porbandar, Gujarat. And we are Gujaratis. We are very proud to be in Gujaratis. Ask why.
Why,
The
sir?
father of our nation, the Iron Man of India, and the present Prime Minister. That is why. I hope you understand.
Yes,
What is
sir.
Yeah, Mahatma Gandhi ji, Iron Man of India, Sardar
Mahatma
Vallabhbhai
Gandhi.
Patel, and Narendra Modi. I forgot very important. The richest man, that is Ambani, right?
Yes, sir.
Wow, girls, I don't know why we are speaking together. So let me give you a good news and one bad news. Which you want to listen first?
Good,
Good
bad?
news.
good news.
Bad news. Bad news, sir. Bad news.
Bad news.
Sir, good news.
Come on.
Bad
After
news.
listening bad news, you will say, sir, we don't have any interest and mood to listen good news. So please listen first good news, okay?
Sir, because bad news. Okay, sir.
If we listen
Okay.
bad news, that after that we can be happy to listen good news.
But I mean to say, if the bad news is like in kidney heart attack, okay, then will you be able to listen the good news? So it's better. No, it's like good. What you are saying is correct. But normally, if the bad news is so worst, you know, you will break your mobile and laptop. At that part of time, what we are going to do? Okay. Anyhow, so okay, we will not break our laptop and mobile. Okay, now put it on the stove for the charging. You know, it's good. Oh my God. Okay, someone is laughing. It's good. So the good news is on Friday. Okay, that not today. That is day after tomorrow. We don't have any classes. I mean to say, we have the classes. No reading, no writing. It will be all about enjoying. Okay, enjoying in the sense I will show you my part of humor. What a comedy person I am. What can I make you laugh? Okay, it's like very simple. Can I make you laugh till your stomach pains?
You're so comedian.
Yeah,
Sir, you are
50%.
making us laugh now.
This is not a good news, sir. This is a great news.
Oh my
Yes, sir,
God.
really.
The way
Because
the
in school
Sumaya,
only you will tell how many comedy.
Sir, now only you are making us laugh. So it will be enjoyment for us.
yeah. So Sumaya, the way she said, sir, you are not making us. What was that thing? You are not making us.
News. Good news is what the great news.
Yeah, Sumaya said, sir, it is not a good news. Then I'm expecting this is a pathetic news, but she said it is a great news. Wow, thank you, Sumaya. Yeah. So it happens like this. So let me complete. Then we are going to the topic. Oh my God, talking, talking, and talking. So what happens here is on Friday, we are going to show us our humor part. Everyone has to be present. It will be very enjoy fun. We are going to laugh our heart content till our stomach pains. And the best topic for the laugh will be CORONA. Go Corona, go. It's like that.
Oh,
So we are going to enjoy. I know like many meaningful thoughts also. We are going to enjoy this topic, that is Corona. Okay. And obviously tomorrow the classes will be there according to the time wise. Okay, everyone has to be present. So please be, I mean to say, now come on, this is a training and it has been broadcasted in the YouTube channel. So you don't think that this and that, at least 5 merits and demerits, pros and cons, advantages and disadvantages of Corona. Okay, girls, boys, 5 points. Then we can share it this. Okay, then it will be like humor part because we are enjoying it. Okay, so here we go forward with this. Sayyid Azra, can you? Yeah, what is that, Mehak? Mehak.
Give the points tomorrow, day after tomorrow, sir.
Yeah, on Friday, you are supposed to write and come that points. You're not going to submit it. Just write and come. When I will give the chance to everyone, you have to read out. Sir, these are the advantages and disadvantages of Corona. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Sir,
Thank
what's
you.
the bad news?
Wow, who is that? See, everyone forgot. And we are just coming to the topic. No one reminded me except one girl. Sir, what is the bad news?
Sir, nobody likes the bad news, sir. That's what we forgot that, sir.
Yeah, Sumaya, that is the thing. Okay, now actually normal after listening bad news, no one wants to hear good news. But after saying good news, I don't want to say bad news because everyone is happy, And mine bad news is like your tears will roll down from your cheeks and you'll start crying. So don't want. Okay. And once you cry, now I'm not in front of you to help you with the hand key. I'm just a kerchief, And especially when the girls cry, it is the biggest weapon, Everyone will run away. Okay. So what we are going to do is, boys and girls, Shayeda Azra and Zunaira Fatima, please remind me what I'm supposed to do.
Excuse me, sir, you have given some words and you said to find synonyms and antonyms for that.
Okay, thank you very much. Okay, so I hope everyone showed the homework and let us come back to this topic. And synonyms, similar meaning is called as synonyms. Okay, so very quickly, who is going to explain this homework? Anyone?
Sir, me.
Okay, we have a new Hania Firdos. Hania Firdos, please start.
Okay, sir. So the first word is big. The synonym of this word is large and the antonym is small or short. And the second word is shiny. The synonym of this word is bright, glossy, and antonym is matte. The third word is fast. The synonym of this word is rapid, speed, and the antonym is slow. And the fourth word is shut. The synonym of this word is close and the antonym is open or unlock. The fifth word is happy. The synonym of this word is joyful or cheerful and the antonym of this word is sad. The sixth word is beautiful and the synonym of this word is pretty and the antonym is ugly. The seventh word is easy and the synonym of this word is uncomplicated and the antonym of this word is difficult. And the eighth word is cry and the synonym of this word is weep and the antonym is laugh. And the ninth word is lazy. The synonym of this word is idle or inactive and the antonym of this word is active. The 10th word is wet. The synonym of this word is damp or moist and the antonym is dry.
Okay, thank you very much, Hania Firdos. Your way of speaking English was excellent. The way of details, the explanation, it was good. Thank you, Hania. All right, as I said, my answers are not matching with Hania Firdos. So I'm going to give you the last chance to anyone. Please say your answers, then I'm going to say my answers and we'll quickly go to the topic. Who wants to try? Homework.
Excuse me, sir, shall I?
Please start.
So the first word given is big. Synonym is great. Antonym is little. Second word is shiny, and synonym is glistening, and antonym is dull or pale. Third word is fast. Synonym is quick, and antonym is slow. Fourth word is shut. Synonym is close, and antonym is open. Fifth word is happy. Synonym is delighted, and antonym is sad. Sixth word is beautiful. Synonym is dazzling. Antonym is horrid. Seventh word is easy. Synonym is fluent. Antonym is uneasy. Eighth word is cry. Synonym is howl or lament. Antonym is joy or laugh. Ninth word is lazy. Synonym is apathetic or tired. Antonym is active or hardworking. Tenth word is wet. Synonym is slippery or misty. Antonym is dry.
Okay, thank you very much, Sayyid Azra. It was excellent. Okay, Sazra Azrafil, you get ready. I'm going to ask you some antonyms, that is opposite words. Sazra Azrafil, please get ready. But before that, all right, as I said, some of them are watching, matching, and I hope everyone has done the homework. I'm going to repeat my contents, my syllabus, okay? And I'm not going to explain in details because you have already explained, so I'm just read the word. For example, the demo is mend, fix, break. So mend is the word, the synonym of the word mend is fix, and the antonym of the word mend is break. I hope everyone understands. So look into your books and listen. Big, large, small. Shiny, bright, dull. Fast, swift, slow. Shut, close, open. Happy, correct, wrong. Beautiful, pretty, ugly. Easy, simple, tough. Cry, weep, laugh. Lazy, idle, hardworking. Wet, damp, dry. Boys and girls, did I do any mistake?
No, sir.
Okay, thank you, Nazneen. Okay, anyone else wants to give the suggestions, feedback, reply? Everything was okay? I mean to say your answers also are correct. Okay.
It was correct, sir.
Okay,
It
okay,
was correct, sir.
okay. I just want to say even your answers are correct, even my answers are correct, but the thing is it doesn't match to books and Google. You know, Google is something like technology. Normally what we are printing the books these days, the grammar is not matching because it is depending on the British English, the American English, and the Indian English. Okay, that is the reason it doesn't match. Okay, so we have read so many words. I just want to say like what is the meaning of idle? What is the meaning of IDOL idle and IDLE idle?
IDOL idol is inspirated,
Sir, not quick.
inspiration, something.
Excuse
Someone
me,
is
sir.
PL is
Yeah, come.
inactiveness. IDOL is a statue, sir.
Yeah, I mean to say the statue. Statue, like don't be an idol. Like don't just sit in one place like a statue. Be active. Okay, fine. And ideal is Indian Idol. What is the meaning of Indian Idol? That's it's in one of the program in the Sony. Okay, let me tell you. Ideally, idol is lazy, and one more IDOL idol is a statue. Am I correct? Am I incorrect? Anyone wants to justify? Okay, forget about this. This is very confusing and complicated. Yeah, Nazneen, you want to say something?
Idol is inspiration.
Yes, Indian Idol, the word is inspiring and motivating to the remaining singers. Even you can become a successful person in the future. All right. And one more idol is sitting lazy, and even the meaning of the idol is statue. So we have the three meanings. Sir, we have only 5 minutes left. Thank you very much. Okay, so we are going to check it out some antonyms here. Okay, Sizra, are you ready?
Yes, sir.
Okay, everyone, no need to write, just listen because I'm going to ask Sazra some questions. There are 10 questions and it is antonym. So boys and girls, no one will speak in between. At end, you have to say, so the answer is right or wrong. Sazra, your first question is open.
Close.
Bitter, B-I-T-T-E-R, bitter.
Can I
Sweet.
No one is going to say Hania. Please wait. And Sazra, you have to say pass or you are supposed to say I don't know because we don't have time. Okay. Next word is
Sweet.
narrow. Okay. Bitter, sweet. Narrow.
Broad.
Separate.
Combine.
Combine. Common.
Unusual.
Entrance.
Don't know, sir.
Okay. Difficult.
Easy.
Question.
Answer.
Forward.
Backward.
Brave.
Brave.
Okay. Okay, thank you, Sadra. Thank you. All right, boys and girls, we hear one thing from here. Okay. Boys and girls, especially in the training, don't say no. Better than no, it's supposed to give wrong answer. What will happen if you give the wrong answer? If I'm rectifying you, that word will keep in your brain. That day I gave the wrong answer and sir has said this, it will be good. So don't say, never say, I don't know. Because just now she said like entrance, I don't know, whichever the word. Try to give any answers. What is happening, it's affecting your brain and you learn more. Okay, instead of saying, I don't know, it's better to give any answer. But in the exam, you should be very serious. Okay, Hania, I'm going to give you the chance. Okay, start, open.
Close.
Bitter.
Sweet.
Narrow.
Abroad.
Separate.
Attached.
Combine. Common.
Rare.
Entrance.
Exit.
Difficult.
Easy.
Question.
Answer.
Forward.
Backward.
Brave.
Foolish or idle.
Okay, boys and girls, anyone wants to give the antonym of brave?
Sir.
Coward, sir. Coward, sir.
Exactly. Sumaya was the first to say coward. You are not brave, you are a coward. You cannot fight even with a street dog. You are running away from the street dog. You are a coward. You are not brave. Coward. The pronunciation is like that. Okay. Thank you very much. All right, Kubra, you started the welcome speech. You are going to end this session with vote of thanks. Please get ready. All right. So boys and girls, I hope everyone understood. Here, the answers are very simple. Open, close, bitter, sweet, narrow, broad, separate, combine, common. Common opposite word is rare. R-A-R-E, rare. Okay. Entrance, exit, difficult, easy, question, answer, forward, backward, and brave is nothing but an coward. Okay. Don't be a coward. You are not supposed to say, don't get afraid. Don't be scared. You're supposed to say, don't be coward. Come on, fight. Nothing will happen. For example, just imagine if Zunaira Fatima and Sayyida Azra is going to fight, who will win? And the answer is Nawaz sir will win. Shanwaz sir will win. Why? Because you are making them fight. They're not supposed to fight. So I'm the winner. It's very simple, making others fight. Oh my God. All right. So boys and girls, I hope this class is going to end. Tomorrow, day after tomorrow, we have the topic coronavirus. We are going to enjoy it. And tomorrow we will complete these sessions. And the next week is all about how to attend the interview and personality development. Okay. So Ume Sufia, the first question, this is just an example. In future, how much you are expecting the salary? What will be your first salary?
50,000.
Please call the doctor. I hope there is no medical shop here. Yeah, as a fresher, you want 50,000.
And
Kubra,
sir, I wanted to tell you that you told me what's the chair amount. I wanted to tell it's 4,000.
Thank you very much, Ume Sufia. Kubra, please start.
May I start, sir?
Yeah, before starting, you are supposed to. Yeah, please.
Good afternoon, everyone. My name is Kubra Fatima, and I am present here to deliver vote of thanks. From the bottom of my heart, I would like to thank all the colors team members, Shahnawaz sir, girls and boys, for coming to this awesome